chick, I call it Lola. She feel like the ocean, like to drink and smoke some Doja. And I feel like smoking, plus she good at charm.
Alright, before you guys start this video, leave a like down below because we need to get our channel bigger.
And subscribe.
Yeah, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Hey guys, SG Vlogs here. We're going to be golfing. It's like 5:30. We're on our local golf course. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the course.
What are you doing? I know it's hard. Alright, so we're on the first hole right now and we're not doing the blues. We suck. This is our first time golfing. And yeah, so I'll just cut this out and do it right when we... I'll just use that too. What was that? We'll play that one. Alright, that was pretty good. Play it where it lies. Let's go, man. Not in the sand. In the sand. Probably gonna miss that. I'll just hit it from there. Alright, going again. Woo! Let's go, let's go, let's go. So there's a guy behind us and we gotta go quick, so. Oh wait, it's turning. It's onto the other, oh my, I suck. Alright, you get your ball? Alright, so we're just gonna play it from the sand. We're obviously pros. We're obviously pros. Alright. That was my hit from back there, so that was pretty sick. Alright, let's go, Gavin. What? No, you get as good of a shot as mine. He's trying to cheat. You suck. Just hit it. Hit it. Alright, we shouldn't play from that. There you go. Alright. And we are done with the first hole. Well, he is. I might just get a touch up. What if I snipe this? What if I snipe this? Wait. What? Oh. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Oh my god. Yeah, that's hockey. Oh boy. We heaving it. We heaving it out here. We out here. Nice. Pretty good. Alright guys, this is my birdie. I'm gonna get one. Alright. Dude, birdie. Birdie all the way. Alright, whatever. Still good hit, still good hit. Nice. Just go tap it in. Nice. That was like your 7th hit. No! I have too much. Alright, I'll just tap that one in. Donk. Are you kidding? I think we ended up with the same. Alright, wait. Nice hit. Okay, I'll go first. he went into the woods, and these guys told us to slow. Is that actually woods? Yeah. These guys just told us to. Is that it right there? I don't know, but these guys just told us to slow down, and
They're too slow for me.
yeah, we're too good. And yeah. All right, guys, we're on hole number 6 now. Let's get it. Not bad, not bad. Let's do this. Oh. You guys like that? Oh, nice hit. On the green? Ah, just off the green. Oh, that's how close it was.
I'm up first. Gabby's up next.